I, on behalf of Buds Engineering Academy, welcome you to this 2-day course on self-development, wherein I assure you you would learn a lot new things that would help you tackle the obstacles that block your way towards reaching your goal. This course will be filled with a lot of activities, and we expect you all would actively participate in them. At the end, you would be left with 5 takeaway messages which would help you in making your dreams turn into a reality. So let's begin with this energetic, fun filled, and knowledgeable session. Our chief guest for today has just joined us, and let's begin with the inauguration.
Hi,
Yes.
am I audible to you?
Yes.
Yes, sir, you are. Welcome, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Myself is Daulat Mane, and I take this opportunity. Shall I click on this?
Sir, please grant us the permission to inaugurate.
Yeah. You can inaugurate.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
बोलायचं असेल तर मायक्रोफोनचा हे करा ठीक आहे.
Thank you, sir. Our chief guest for today is Mr. Daulat Mane, who is currently working as country manager in lithium-ion batteries. He completed his degree in electronics engineering from DKT's Textile and Engineering Institute, Ichalkaranji, in 1996. Then he worked in different electronic industries at different capacities. He's having almost more than 23 years of experience in service sales and business management at top Indian multinational companies. Also, he has a very rich command over negotiation and interpersonal skills, which drives his business for last many years. Welcome, sir. It's a pleasure to have you today.
Thank you.
I
take
request
this up.
I request you to please brief the audience with your words of wisdom. Over to you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks, Sai.
Yes.
I take this opportunity to inaugurate this Buds Engineering Academy program called Self Development, and it is especially for kids like you, maybe age group of 5 to 15 years. Now, this particular age group, such kind of programs will be definitely a guiding star for you people, and you are just starting your educational path. So 15 years of old, that means you might be in the 9th or 10th maximum. So at this stage, in this world now, in this technology, we have many other things to do, like mobile phones, TV, etc. And right now, I mean, there is something. I mean, in this society, we are finding lack of such programs and such kind of activities. So I feel, I mean, this I thank you very much for to the Buds Engineering, where they have arranged such a good program for people or kids like age group between 5 to 15 years. Actually, I would like to tell you that Buds Engineering I know for last 25 years, more than 25 years, and this Buds Engineering has almost 50 man-years of experience. So basically 2-3 people are there, so 25 each, so 25 multiplied by 2 is equal to 50 years of man-years of experience they have. And it is really a great opportunity for students like you, wherein you can start learning such activities. See, study is okay. I mean, everybody does the study. Educational or academic study. Over and above, you must learn how to focus, and how to develop your various skills. Whatever the skill, it's not necessary that again, it should be a mathematical skill or science or arts or commerce, nothing like it. You can develop in any stream, but how to develop it is a big question for you people. Second thing is, at this age, maybe below 15, you have various questions in your mind. I mean, what to do, how to do, whether I will achieve it or not achieve it. See, that is different, but that is a different question altogether. However, now the programs like this, like self-development program and all, you will definitely get a lot of things. They have, I think they have some activities also to do. It's not just and I hope if this program should be bit interactive. I know people can talk to the person who is giving the speech or giving the education or giving guidelines to them. They should enable that they should individually talk to the people, kids, and they can have their questions also, so that they can guide, or maybe at that time or maybe at later also you can interact with them and resolve their queries. So I hope, this program definitely will give a very good guidance for you. And thank you very much. Let's I am handing over to Sai. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your guidance. Now I request the director of Buds Engineering Academy, Mr. Arjun Gule, to please say a few words.
Okay. Okay, can you hear me now? Yeah, can you
Yes,
hear
sir.
me now? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So first of all, I am very much thankful to Mane sir, who took his time from his busy schedule, and he has guided us a few good words. So I am very happy for it. First thing. Now I don't want to stay in between you people and the program which we are going to start shortly, the section that is called as an interactive session. But I would like to just underline few of the important points for you people. You see, in earlier days or regarding the education, you might have heard that student used to learn in the open atmosphere under the tree, and they have achieved a lot of great excellence in their careers, in their future. And further, that learning methodology, you will be observed that schooling, noteboard, pen, classroom, and all. So that is that education is in the walls of four walls. But right now it might be a situation, current situation outside, but right now we are interacting here from different parts of the country, and you will find that your word is a global village, or word is an educational classroom. So you can learn lot of information from throughout the world, and that's the opportunity we got because of the information technology here. But here one of the important point I would like to tell you that we can learn as much as you can from this program also, and your participation will guide us about the future programs or coming programs also. But at the same time, you must try to extract the lot of information from the internet world, and you should use the internet technology or technology. Now final point, coming to the conclusion, I don't want to stay in between you and the program, but you must focus today and tomorrow on this particular 1 hour session, and you try to focus what the faculty is saying, what they are guiding, and at the end we are going to conduct a quiz, and based on the marks you obtain in that quiz, you will get a certification which you can show to your friends, and in future as a career point, that certificate will be much useful for you. So I appeal to all of participants to try to focus on this program, and at the end of the course you will have a beautiful quiz and you will get the beautiful certificates. Now I will stop it here, and I will hand over this session to Sai Gule.